Hey, how's it going, guys? Hope you guys had a good Christmas. Just wanted to give a little update on the truck today. Just got done installing the last of the LED headlights, taillights, bulbs, backup bulbs, third brake light bulbs, basically everything halogen that I could change on this I did, without having to switch over to the higher end headlights. Eventually I want to do that, but for right now this is a cheaper remedy for those halogen bulbs. Just taking a walk around. The new ambers, turn signals. Everything went in pretty smooth. I'll leave a link to all the bulbs in the comments. One thing I will say is a lot of the 2020 bulbs will still fit on these trucks. The bulbs may have a couple little nubs that you have to file down or whatever, but you can make them fit and they do work. Didn't really have any issues with those. I did order some bulbs through, oh geez, if I can remember it now. It was Diode Dynamics supplied them, but oh geez, I can't think of the vendor right now, but Diode Dynamics bulbs claim to work for the 2021 F150s. I had some backup bulbs, taillight bulbs, they give me rear amber turn signals and stuff. My truck doesn't require those. Just a heads up if you're going to do a bulb swap. The XLs have two different style tail lights. We'll go around to the back and we'll take a look right now. So there's this style tail light. It's all red. It's the more red of the two. And then there's another style that has a white center in this area where your bliss sensors are and stuff. So on the white ones you can use amber turn signals and stuff, but this being, you know, all red glass, it doesn't really work. So I had to return all my bulbs from Diode Dynamics. There was a couple different sets that did not work for me or did not fit, so unfortunately I did have to return them. Last fit had a bunch of bulbs that did work, however, and again I'll leave a description or a link in the description. We'll take a look at those third brake lights, reverse bulbs. So those are real nice now, real clean. Definitely like the LED look over the halogens. Big improvement there. Another interesting thing to note, I tried doing the upgraded reverse bulbs on this. That was like one of the things I really wanted to do. Unfortunately, on the 2021s, at least on this style truck, the reverse bulb, so being this strip up here, this white strip, it's LED and it's not serviceable. So they're in there. You got to crack the headlight open to change them, and it just is not worth it to me. I would love to do the daytime running lights like the higher end XLTs and Lariat and above have, but not just yet. Eventually. But that's really it. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for tuning in. No update on the Whipple. Hopefully soon, guys. I'll keep you posted.